Hey, welcome back. It's Chris with Moreno Outdoors. We're going to be installing some mirrors on the 2023 Can-Am Defender Pro XT. So we're going to side view mirrors and a rear view mirror. They're pretty straightforward and simple to install. So let's get to it. So to get things started, we're going to go ahead and start putting these plates on the mirrors themselves. The bracket is countersunk, so these will sit flush. You need a T30 Allen to put these in. I'm going to actually cheat, put a little speed on it. Passenger side, same deal. Hand tighten them down so I don't over torque them. With that, we'll go to the front. Now with these you have to slide this insert into the roll cage frame. It's got two welded nuts on the back of it. And this is what's going to hold the mirror to the side of the vehicle. Now getting these lined up on your own could be a pain in the butt. Same thing, I'm going to go to hand torque them once you get them screwed in so far. Always remember, tight's tight, too tight's broken. Can't say that enough. That's one side. It's that easy. Move on to the passenger side. My hope for today, snoozing on the job. We're going to take that insert, slide it up in that hole. It's pretty dark here, sorry if you can't see that. I'm having trouble seeing it myself. And that's it for the side view mirrors. So now we'll move on to the rear view mirror, which is also pretty simple, which is just 2 bolts, 2 nylock nuts. It's going to be a .532 Allen head. So you do have an insert that after you put the bolt up through the mirror, this is going to go on the back side here. You have 2 holes in the center of the roll cage that this is going to go through. They're there from the factory, you don't have to drill anything. So I'm going to feed that in there, put the insert on, add the nylock nut. Grab the second bolt. Once you got those started, go ahead and put a wrench or a socket on the back. I'm just going to hand tighten them up. And that's it for the rear view mirror. So once again, thanks for watching. This was a pretty simple install. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get these. And if you have any comments, leave any comments, and you want to see me install anything, let me know. Please hit the subscribe button. It helps us keep making these videos. And hit the like button. I appreciate it. Thanks. We'll see you next time.